Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have made a pinafore skirt from an old pair of leggings. So let's get into it. First, measure how long you want your skirt to be. Mine was 18 inches, but this is entirely up to you. I marked this measurement onto one leg, drew a straight line across and cut along the line. I then folded this leg over onto the other one and made sure they were exactly matching before cutting across this one. I turned them inside out and opened up the crotch seam. I used a seam ripper which can be bought for just a couple of pounds or dollars, but if you use scissors, just cut along the seam. Once opened, turn this sideways so the front and back seams are now on the sides, and mark a curved line. These will be your new seams. Pin and sew along these lines. Once sewn, cut off any excess fabric. Now fold the bottom edge up about ½ inch and pin this in place. Then sew where you've pinned. To make the straps, put your new skirt on and measure from the top of your skirt over your shoulder to the opposite side for a crossover look. Mine was 42 inches. Using the legs you cut off earlier, cut along the seams of both legs to open up the fabric. Cut as many strips as you need to join together to add up to your over shoulder measurement. I had 2 strips 21 inches long and 2½ inches wide. I cut these out and repeated on the other leg. I joined 2 of the strips together to make the 42 inches I needed to fit over my shoulder. You may have more strips, but pin them together to make your required measurement. Then sew them together. Then fold each strap in half, right sides together, pin along the open edge and sew these shut to make a tube. Now turn these inside out so they are now the right way round. These are your completed straps. Pin each strap onto the skirt. I placed each one 3 inches from the edge. I then took each strap and pinned the other end to the opposite side on the back so they're crossed over. And sewed these in place. Here is the completed pinafore skirt. I paired it with a simple white t-shirt to show off the straps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.